And everybody, welcome back to the channel. And so as you guys can see, I'm running a speed test on the Pixel 4. We are using Visible on this device, and kind of shocking the speeds that I was able to get. Yes, I did open up another Visible account to test it out, see how everything is going. And yeah, pretty good deal. $5 to start out using a friend's promo code. Back on a party pay, $25 a month. And while there was some things that went on with Visible and let's just say that this is all about just, speed testing it and just showing you guys what you guys will get. For those people that Visible works good in their area with Verizon, yeah, you'll find this pretty useful. So here we're running nPerf, and we're going to run that test here, see if we get pretty much similar to what Ookla showed. And it pretty much has gotten better. Now, of course, they're 5G. I had this SIM in the Pixel 5, doesn't yield these results. It's kind of weird, but on LTE side, this is doable if you're gonna be downloading stuff and streaming stuff. So anyway, just a quick little speed test for you guys to show you guys Visible currently in Phoenix right now. Let me know what you guys think. Smash the like button and subscribe.